Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, we look at several string methods that we can use when we are working with strings. The string object has several methods that you can use, and in this video, we look at several of the most common. On the left, I've opened Atom, and I have a file open known as hello.py, in which I have declared a string s, hello good people, and I have some of the most common string methods that we will look at. On the right, I've opened the Python interpreter so we can get going. So the first three methods, strip, lstrip, and rstrip, are used to strip white space from strings. So for example, let's say we have the string s and it has trailing white space, sorry, leading white space, and at the end it has trailing white space. So we can use the strip method to strip the space, both the leading and the trailing. So that will be s.strip. It will remove the white space both on the leading and the trailing. Rstrip will remove the trailing white space at the right of the word. So we can say s.rstrip. That will remove the space to the empty space to the right, and lstrip will remove the empty space to the left. And then s.upper will convert the string to uppercase, and s.lower will convert it to lowercase. And s.isUpper, this is a method which is used to check if the given string is made of uppercase characters only, and if it's so, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So this is a binary method which return either true or false. And s.isLower will also check if the given string is made of lowercase characters, and s.capitalize will convert the first character to capital and the other characters to lowercase. Let's say world, and we can say b.capitalize. We can see that the first character has been converted to an uppercase. And s.isTitle will convert the string into a title case. That is, for example, hello good people, the first character of each word will be converted to capital. And then s.startWith, this one is a binary method which returns true or false depending on whether a given string starts with a given character. For example, we have the string b as world. We can check if b.starts with, let's say b.start with f. That one will return false because the string world starts with w, and end with is the same, but it applies to the end. And s.replace, you can replace given characters in a string or given words in a sentence or a number of words. So let's say, for example, in the string b, you want to replace the letter d with another letter, so we'll just say b.replace, and then first we pass the letter that you want to replace. In this case, we want to replace d, and let's replace it with y, and we now have a new word with the b with d replaced with y. So those are some of the string methods that you can use. There are several others. Probably you can look at the Python documentation and also play around with them and see if you can master them and use them in your Python scripts and programs. So that's it for this video. We'll pick it from here. Thanks for watching.